To answer this question, you got to remember a few things. First of all, if it is a right triangle, it means that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Because remember, in any right triangle, and you don't have to draw it out, but we're going to go ahead and try. In a right triangle, you have a, b, and c. A and b are your legs. C is your hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse is across from the right angle, so it's this piece over here. And we also said it's the longest piece. So if I labeled these with the numbers I was given, I would say I've got 3, I've got 5, and I've got 6. So the question is, if I drew a right triangle, could those actually be the right lengths? And to test it, you just plug this into the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is very, very similar to what we did in our last chapter on linear equations by plugging in x and y. We plugged them in. The question was, is this point a solution to the line? And all we were looking for is a true statement. 2 equals 2, 4 equals 4, 5 equals 5. We're looking for the same thing here. Let's plug in our numbers. Instead of a, we have 3, so this is 3 squared. Instead of b, we have 5, so plus 5 squared. Equals, and instead of c, we have 6, so equals 6 squared. 3 squared, that's 3 times 3, so I should have 9. 5 squared, 5 times 5, so I should have 25. 6 squared, 6 times 6, that would give me 36. So what I am hoping to find is I want to add this up and have it say 36 equals 36. That would be a true statement, and this would be a right triangle. But 9 times 25, what is 9 times 25? It's 34, not 36. So when I'm done, my mathematical statement says 34 equals 36. That is not true. Equal sign means those should be exactly the same. They are not. This is not true. Because this is not true, we're going to go ahead and say no. The original question was a yes or no question. Do these lengths form a right triangle? No. The reason they don't is because 34 equals 36.